So what I did here, I drew the line going down and the line going across so that I can make my measurement right. So what we're going to do here, we're going to take our shoulder to shoulder measurement, divide by 2. Mine is 14, divide by 2 is 7, and then I added, oh yeah, it's 7. And then from there we are going to take our armhole measurement. This is going to give us a chest line. Mine is 9.2, so that is why I drew the line here. From here we are going to take a neck measurement, which is 3, and then the depth is 3 for front. It's 3 by 3, and then for the back I will take 1.5. This is the back, this is the front. So we are going to take our vertical measurements. So from the point here, I'm going to mark 11 inches. That's my bust point, and then my waist is 17, and then my hip is 23. So I'll draw the lines. After that, we are going to take 1 inch for shoulder slope, and then you connect it with our points, and then we will take half of our armhole, so 1.5 inch, and make it curve. This is bust point, waist point, and hip point. Our bust, we divide it by 4, so mine divided by 4 is 9.5. So I'll take 9.5. My waist divided by 2 is 8.7. So I'll take 8.7. My hip divided by 4 is 11. So I'll take 11 here. So from here, I'm going to take the bust span, mine, which is 4. It's 4. From here, I'm going to take 1 inch. That's 4. Yeah, 1 inch above under the breast span, breast point, you take half 1 inch, and then we go, and then take 2 inches from the hip point. Okay. 2 inches. So from here we are going to take half inch. So half inch this side and half inch this side. We are connecting it. So when we come here, we are going to add 1 inch sewing allowance, which I will add 1 inch here, and then here I'm going to add 1 inch sewing allowance plus 1 inch of the breast point of the dust that we made, and then which means I will take 2 inches from here. I'll take 2 inches, and then I'll add 1 inch. So we are going to connect our dots. Connect to our chest line. So our this is our front. So I'm going to cut the front, and then I will trace the back using the front. So this is our front pattern. So I did not add sewing allowance here at the shoulder and here at the bottom. So when you cut, you have to add sewing allowance. So now we are going to cut the back. Get another paper. So we are going to use the difference between the back in the front. First of all, I'm gonna, okay, I'll trace this first. So that you can see clearly. I'm gonna mark the points because we are going to make the dots here. So I will make these points. So I'm gonna cut the front dip because now I've already traced the back. So okay, this is our chest. So what we do here, I will trace the chest line, the bust line, and the waistline. So we are going to make our dots. So to make our dots, we take 4 inches on the waistline, and then it's 4 inches. Okay. And then this time we are going to take 1 inch below the chest line, not the bust line. And then 2 inches above the hip line. So we're going to draw our line. Then we take ½ inch either side, and then we'll connect the lines. So another thing that we're going our zipper allowance, we will take 1.5 inch, 1.5 inch. Then we connect the lines. One. We connect the lines. Then we extend the neck to the zipper line. Zipper. So our draft ends here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.